Yeah, this is obviously for Liberation Day. I wish I knew what was going on.
Cittadine e cittadini, autorità, amiche a pieno titolo della vita democratica del nostro paese. Fu l'inizio di un'Italia, una storia, ma ne aprì una, quella che portò come reato la protesta come minaccia. In questo quadro si collocano i decreti sicurezza del governo.
I have no idea what's happening. It's very loud, whatever it is. Is this what they call citizen journalism? Okay, still not sure exactly what's going on over there. But I'm going to head up to the old city before the riot starts. That was all exciting, wasn't it? I'll have a Google later, and if I know what's going on, I'll let you know. Hello, good morning. Or buongiorno again, because we're still in Italy. We're now in Bergamo. We just got off the bus. I got a couple of hours to kill before we need to get to the airport, so we're going to see what's going on. There might be some stuff going on because it's Liberation Day in Italy, which we didn't know. But let's get up there. Okay, we found the way up. Funicular Railway, but there's quite a queue for it at the moment. I suppose if it's a national holiday on a Saturday, should have expected this, but there we go. Oh wow, check that view out. Okay, we made it up to the Città Alta. The proper kind of old school architecture, complete tourist trap. Beautiful, but complete tourist trap. By the way, I fully recognise the irony of calling someone a tourist trap when I'm being a tourist myself. This is exactly what you think of when you think old school Italy. €1.20 to spend a penny seems a little bit excessive. If you gotta go, you gotta go. It's around every corner, there's just something stunning. I really need to keep an eye on the time, otherwise I'll be walking back to Bristol tonight. I haven't found a pizza yet, but this will do. Oh, that's good. With €3.50 as well. Far cheaper than I thought it might be. Pizza next and a beer. Okay, I didn't find a pizza, but this will do. And you got to love the place that serves beer in litres. Oh wow. I wasn't expecting that. Oh my god. What a view. Okay, apart from the obvious mountains behind us, it's just so flat. You can see for miles. So that is Bergamo, that's the Città Alta, the Lombardy. I had no idea this place was so flat. And if we look this way, which is more east, northeast, the absolute contrast to the mountains. And some of them, I don't know if you can see, but some of them, especially further on, it's still got snow on top. Damn, that's amazing.